In the new Hybrid 130, the established 1.5-litre full hybrid system has a new transaxle with a larger and more powerful electric motor generator, kg1. This, together with adjustments to the power control unit, delivers a 12% increase in total system output from 85 kilowatts to 96 kilowatts. At the same time, the kg2 motor's torque has been increased across the entire rev band, with the maximum rising by 30% from 141 to 185 Nm. The result is faster acceleration, with the 0 to 100 km/h time reduced by half a second to 10.7 seconds and the 80 to 120 km/h overtaking benchmark brought down by 0.4 seconds to 8.9 seconds. Where CO2 emissions are concerned, the impact is modest. The new system achieves a best-in-class 101 to 116 g/km, while fuel economy is 4.5 to 5.2 L/100 km. The 12.3-inch combimeter presents dials, information and graphics in sharp definition for good visibility in all light levels. The driver can customize the display's appearance to suit their mood or the type of journey with 4 style options: smart, casual, sporty, and tough. There's a further choice of 2, 1 or no dials to create 12 layouts in all, plus a change in background color according to the drive mode selected: normal, ECO or sport. A digital speedometer and the shift position indicator are centrally positioned in all configurations. Multi-information displays, mid, are positioned center, left and right. The central section presents important data, such as advanced safety system status. Those to either side present details such as journey data, fuel consumption, and audio. The driver can view combinations for the 3 pages in each mid with ease using control switches on the steering wheel. They can also customize the information on each page on the left and right displays. The center display content is fixed. According to model grade, a head-up display is also available, giving the driver even more direct access to key driving information. The 7-inch version is standard on mid and mid grades. The 12.3 inch is featured on high grade, GR Sport and Premier Edition models.